Hi, welcome to KULR Technology Group. This is Michael Mo. I'm the co-founder, CEO of the company, and welcome to join us today. First of all, it's the customary safe harbor statement. Quick introduction about the KULR Technology Group. We come from over 30 years of heritage of developing carbon fiber thermal energy management solutions for space applications. Our products are trusted by NASA to be used on the Mars Rover 2020 Perseverance program. We're on the International Space Station and also numerous other aerospace and defense applications. Our mission is to take these space-proven technologies and apply to the world of lithium-ion battery and electronics to keep them cooler, lighter, and safer. Our customers include the likes of Lockheed Martin, Airbus, Raytheon, as well as other commercial customers. Our technology target multiple billion-dollar markets, which we will talk about. And our management team have decades of experience in technology, product development, marketing, manufacturing, and also public company finances. Quick introduction about our management team. My name is Michael Mo. I'm the co-founder, CEO of the company. I have been in the semiconductor and technology industry for over 25 years. I received my undergrad and master's degree in electrical engineering and computer science from UC Santa Barbara. We're very pleased to announce most recently that Keith Cochran has joined KULR as our president and COO. He had spent a 24-year successful career at Jabil, most recently serving as the Senior Vice President of Global Business Unit, responsible for their $3.7 billion smartphone manufacturing business in Asia. So he comes from a very rich and successful background in business operations, supply management, and also manufacturing automation. Here's a overview of our technology portfolio. Our core technology is a carbon fiber matrix material that is very lightweight and conduct heat more efficiently than other materials. On the battery safety solution side, our Hydra TRS is used on the International Space Station to store the astronauts' laptop batteries and also Microsoft Surface Pro safely without the risk of fire and explosion on board. Our Lyra ISC is a technology that NASA has invented for test in the battery safety for space applications. KULR is the exclusive licensee and commercialization partner for that. It's now used for EV customers, electric aviation, energy storage, and other commercial applications. ERA is our phase change heat-sink technology. That's a technology that's on board the Mars Rover 2020 to keep the Sherlock instruments operating in ideal conditions on Mars. And Crux is our carbon fiber cathode for direct energy DoD applications. We solve heat and safety problems for battery and electronics. As many of you may know, that batteries can overheat, catch fire, and even explode. This problem leads to cars and even passenger planes catch fire. And our proprietary core technology is a carbon fiber material that proves superior thermal conductivity and heat dissipation, and it's in an ultra lightweight configuration. Our patented technology isolate and contain the battery cell fire from explosion. We have trade secrets and IP manufacturing of this material. We make our own equipment to build these structures. Our engineering team has worked together for over 20 years, and we have 10 patents, and the most recent one providing protection up to 2036. As excited as we are about the space missions and programs, we're more excited about the opportunities to apply our technology into multiple billion-dollar markets, such as energy storage, EV, and 5G cloud computing infrastructures. The global lithium-ion battery market will hit $100 billion by 2024, and we believe battery safety is a critical aspect to enable this $100 billion market. Lithium-ion battery recycling industry will grow to about 18 billion by 2030, and transportation safety is a critical component of that. The EV market is forecast to grow from 3.3 million units in 2019 to 27 million units by 2030. Meanwhile, the global thermal management materials and device market is to reach over 16 billion by 2024, driven by the proliferation of cloud computing, AI, and the upcoming 5G deployment, where more data, faster network, and smaller devices are driving the need for better heat management. Our growth strategy consists of three components. We collaborate and innovate with government agencies such as NASA, US Air Force, Department of Energy to develop cutting edge technologies. Then we work with the government and regulatory bodies such as UN, FAA to bring awareness to cooler technology and then to have them included in the regulatory roadmaps. Then we apply these technologies for commercial applications in mass markets such as energy storage, EV, and 5G computing. Here's a quick overview of some of the recent government and defense clients. We supplied FAA, the Federal Aviation Administration, with ISC technology to evaluate passenger lithium-ion battery malfunctions that can cause fire and smoke incidents aboard aircrafts. The most exciting event in 2020 was the launch of the Mars rover Perseverance rover in July. KULR's heatsinks was part of the Sherlock instrument. Our heatsinks keep the optics and sensors on the rover in optimum operating conditions. They're the eyes and ears of the rover looking for signs of life on Mars. On February 18th of 2021, the rover has successfully landed on the surface of the red planet, and we're looking forward to receive more data from the Sherlock instrument. We work with NASA Marshall Space Flight Center to build 3D printed battery systems for manned and robotics space applications. The goal is to 3D print our battery solution on the moon as part of the Artemis project. Our TRS storage solution is on board International Space Station to protect laptop batteries and also Microsoft Surface Pro 5 from battery fire and explosion. We work with DoD prime contractors such as Lockheed Martin, Leidos, and others on direct energy and hypersonic vehicle programs. On the commercial customer side, we've recently announced a number of customer engagements. We partner with Airbus on our passive propagation resistance PPR solution for research into the lithium-ion battery safety and testing for flight applications. KULR has announced a partnership with a leading global electronics component and battery manufacturer, which is a leading supplier of key electronics components in smartphones such as the Apple iPhone, to build internal short circuit battery testing technology, and for KULR to license its PPR design to the partner in commercial phase. We're working with Volta Energy products to provide our PPR technology to implement in stationary energy storage modules for energy grid applications. We have also announced a partnership with Silicon Valley-based Draco Motors to use our carbon fiber FTI cooling technology for the Draco GTE vehicle. It's a ultra high performance electric supercar that's 1,200 horsepower with top speed of 206 miles per hour. We're literally deploying thermal technology on the Mars rover 2020 to the fastest EV on the planet. We take a multi-pronged approach to serve our customers in different markets. Most of our engagements start with engineering, design, and testing services. Once we have developed a customized solution for the customer, we offer them the product for sale or IP licensing for high volume customers. This allows the customer to be the flexibility to integrate our products into their supply chain and to make it more scalable and potentially lower the cost for everybody. It's important for our shareholders to know that KULR's business model continues to evolve from being a component supplier to provide more design and testing services to our customers. And the next phase of evolution is to provide total system solution to address market needs. To scale up as a system provider more quickly and efficiently in markets such as EV, energy storage, hypersonic vehicle systems, KULR will actively seek partners to joint venture, technology license, and establish other strategic partnership models. The goal is to leverage KULR's thermal design expertise and portfolio of IPs to create market-leading products, which KULR would take to market directly to capture more value for our shareholders. Here is a quick snapshot of the overview of the KULR Technology Group financial structure. Um, Throughout 2020, we have strengthened our balance sheet with almost 9 million in cash as of the end of the year. We have a strong and growing patent portfolio. Insider ownership is approximately 45%. With the recent $8 million equity financing, which completed by the end of 2020, we are well capitalized to execute our business objectives in 2021. Proceeds from the financing round will be used to build out to build our management team, to increase R&D efforts, increase our production capabilities, and also sales and marketing activities. We believe KULR can provide a compelling opportunity for investors. We have been trading on the OTC market since 2018. Our next big milestone is to uplist to a national senior exchange in 2021. Our space-proven battery safety technology is a critical platform play for multiple billion high-growth markets such as EV, energy storage, and others. We have a robust and growing portfolio of patents, both developed internally and through exclusive licensing arrangements with entities such as NASA and DOE. Our business model evolution is to transform from a component supplier to an integrated design, testing, and part supplier, and to ultimately a total system provider to capture more value for our shareholders. We look forward to a strong year in 2021 and hopefully on a senior national exchange to attract more institutional investor shareholders to join our mission to make the world of battery and electronics cooler, lighter, and safer. Thank you.